how to claim welcome bonuses on bet365. Now, if you want to claim some of the welcome bonuses that bet365 offers, there are a couple of things that we can do. First of all, you can claim a bet365 welcome bonus when you are creating an account. So you can see the login button from the top right. So let's say you want to go ahead and then join instead, so you can see the join option on the top left, so tap on the join button. So basically when you tap on the join button, once you select your region and then your email address and so on, you will be asked to enter a promo code if you have, and that is the first step on how we can claim it. Now if you missed out on entering a promo code, there are also other ways. So right here you can see you can open an account and choose between two offers. You can do first bet safety net and get $1,000 in bonus bets, or you can bet $5 and get $150 in bonus bets whether you win or lose. So that is the another way that you can claim it over there. If you go on the right hand side, there are also many of the reward programs that they are offering. So you can also try to deposit some amount of money, use referral code, and that's how you can claim your welcome bonuses. This way you can claim your welcome bonuses on bet365. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.